Hello, little artists! Today, we are going to draw an adorable giraffe step by step. So grab your pencils and let's get started. First, we begin by drawing the basic shape of the giraffe's face. It's a rounded rectangle with slightly curved edges. Next, we add 2 small dots for the eyes, making our giraffe look super cute. Now, let's draw the muzzle by adding a curved line near the bottom of the face. Right under it, we add 2 oval shapes for the giraffe's nostrils. Next, it's time to draw the ears. Then, we move on to the giraffe's signature ossicones, the little horns on its head. Now for the fun part, coloring. We fill the giraffe's skin with a bright yellow shade. Then, we add brown patches all over to give it that classic giraffe look. We also color the nostrils and ossicones in a darker brown to make them stand out. And there you have it, a super cute giraffe, all drawn and colored. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.